Well, while violent crime holds a grip on Little Rock's police force, we are getting a better breakdown on how many people have been shot so far this year, and the numbers are up.
Yeah, Fox 16's Mitch McCoy live outside police headquarters this evening with the most recent stats and what officers are doing with this new data. Mitch.
Yeah, Kevin, Donna, good evening. Unfortunately, it's not just the number of people being shot in the capital city. It is the drive-by shooting numbers that are also up. Numbers were released today during a news conference with the police command staff here and the mayor. Let's walk through the numbers as we know it here at 5:30. Between January 1st and March 3rd, there have been 80 battery firsts. Those are either people who have been shot or seriously hurt by another person. That's up 21% from last year, when there were 66. The city's terroristic acts, which are pretty much your drive-by shootings, those are up 38%. The city right now tracking 131 people affected by those so far this year, compared to the 95 at this time last year. LRPD Assistant Chief Wayne Bewley says the city's gun crime intelligence unit is tracking all of it, and it's not uncommon for a single gun to be used by someone and it get passed around.
We have connected some guns that we know have been utilized either in a shots fired call or other type situations that we have maybe not yet recovered.
Little Rock Mayor Frank Scott Jr. says crime is not solely a law enforcement issue, but it's a public health crisis.
I've asked staff to identify correlations between high crime areas, vacant unsafe housing, and 311 requests. Identifying the correlations will allow us to be strategic and intentional about our efforts.
You may recall the city announced several programs receiving funding that is an effort to put a dent in crime. Those range from day labor programs to social workers and the city's street intervention team, among others. Overall, violent crime is up about 18% from this time last year, and there have been 13 homicides so far in 2022 compared to the 9 at this time last year. And we are told today that most of the city's homicides this year have been solved, except for just a few. Live at police headquarters tonight, Mitch McCoy, Fox 16 News.